Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pip and Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
The great day had almost arrived. Harefield Airfield's new Museum of Flight was all but finished and due to be opened the very next day.
Tomorrow's your big day, eh, Wally? You'll be the new museum's star exhibit.
Oh, not just me.
Quite right. Well, we'll chat later, eh? Mustache, lots to do.
OK, Mike.
Yeah, finished.
Great. Let's get a cup of tea, and then perhaps we can get some real work done.
Ah, Pippa, you're off to Fembra, are you?
Yes, Lionel. I'm flying some of the guests from there to the hotel at Wealdon Airport.
Right. They'll be coming on from there in the morning. Any sign of Budgie?
Not yet, Lionel.
He's bringing the glue to fix the museum's floor covering, and he's late. Off you go, then.
Yes, sorry, Lionel, but the crate of glue wasn't ready for me. I had to wait for it.
How long will you be?
Hairfield's in sight, so any moment now.
Good show. Stick at it. Over and out.
Poor old Lionel. He's rushed off his rotors today. Gosh! Look at the load that crane's carrying. Whew! I wish I could lift things as heavy as that. Hello! Whoops!
And we've got to make sure the microphone's working. And we've got to fix the floor covering when the stuff... Hey!
Phew! Made it.
Hey, crazy, man.
You can say that again. It's the glue we've been waiting for. Here, that's the bunting we put up.
Oh, no!
Budgie must have caught it with a crate.
Does that mean...
Start again.
And, Budgie, the museum's going to be home to another old-timer.
Oh, who?
A 30s airliner.
30s. What does that mean?
Well, it means that, like me, he was flying around in the 1930s. Over 60 years ago.
Rocketing rotors? Nothing's that old. Oh, sorry, Wally.
Yes, I should hope so. That might be him now. No.
Hi, Budgie. Hi, Wally. Hey, have I just seen some aircraft? He was heading this way, and he looked even older than you, Wally. Gee, sorry, Wally.
Wow! Look!
That's him!
That's the fella!
Crumbs, Snowy! He's huge!
It looks like it can't be!
Hello there, I am a new boy. Henry Penge by name, but my friends call me
HP!
How did you know that? Wally! By all that's wonderful!
Imperial Airlines, 1947.
Bombay 35!
Or was it Singapore in 36?
What are you
doing here?
Wow!
Hey!
Hello!
Good morning.
Gosh, aren't you big? And you've got double wings.
A lot of us had 60 years ago. Hey, Wally?
That's right. And what are you to do with all this?
Oh, I'm flying the photographers so they can take pictures from the air tomorrow.
Henley, welcome to Harefield.
Thank you.
I'll be with you in a moment. Budgie, there's a delivery for the museum to be picked up at Oakford Station.
All right.
And Chuck, some spare parts to collect from Fenborough.
Okay, Captain.
So much to do, so little time. Well, off you go.
Bye, everybody.
Ooh, can I come with you?
Yes, if you like.
Right, Mike. Let's get the glue into the museum. Just tip the crate up so I can get the trolley under it. Well, come on.
Sorry. It, won't move.
Don't be silly here. Let me. It's not that big. Right. 2, 3, heave! 2, 3, heave!
Oh, man, it's stuck. I think the glue leaked.
Of course, when Budgie banged the crate down. Oh, terrific.
How far is it now, Budgie? About 2 miles. That's the 3rd time you've asked me. I know. Ooh, what's that thing? It's a wind vane, so you know where the wind's coming from. Olivia, don't do that. Oh, dear.
No, it's miles too big. We can just about steer Wally round it.
Yeah, right. We can get him in there.
But the Henley? No chance. He won't even go in the hangar. He can't stay here. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll tow him away and park him out of sight. If people can't see him, they won't miss him. Come on, that floor covering should be here soon.
Out of sight. Won't miss him. Oh, I say.
Are you sure I've got the right load, Lionel?
Of course, why?
Well, I feel like I'm carrying a handbag.
A handbag?
Yeah, these spare parts are real teenies.
Spare parts? You should be carrying rolls of floor covering.
No, sir, Captain. Spare parts.
Oh, no, I've sent the wrong aircraft with the wrong loads.
Oh, Budgie, it's too heavy for you. No, it's not. I can do it.
Sure you could manage all this, Chuck?
Gee, Lionel.
I know, I'm sorry. And I'm worried about Budgie. He...
Say, here he comes.
Gosh, nearly there. Budgie, climb, quickly, Budgie! Wow! Olivia!
But I wasn't being silly, Budgie. If I hadn't made you climb, you'd have run into the bunting.
Oh, crumbs! I never realised. Thanks.
Good show, Olivia. And well done, Budgie. I didn't know you had that much lift in you. It was all my fault. So much to do,
Lionel! It's HP! They can't get him into the museum!
What?
They're gonna park him out of sight! He'll even miss the opening!
Oh, no! Poor HP! Wait a minute. I know where we could park him so he'd see everything. And everyone could see him.
Yes, go on.
How strong are you feeling, Chuck?
Hey, kiddo, what's this all about?
Yes, chaps, you're doing it.
Come on, come on!
Come on, Chuck! We're doing it! Okay, Chuck, here we go!
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Well, what do you know? We did it.
Well, you've done a first-class job. Makes me proud to own Airfield. And wherever did you find the cable?
Oh, it was just sort of here, sir.
Great Scott! The Henley is on the roof!
Yes.
A great idea! Well done!
But we didn't put it there, sir.
What? Well, if you didn't, who did? Who was the genius who thought of it?
I must say HP looks wonderful up there.
Yes, now it really looks like an air museum.
Good show, Chuck.
And good show, Budgie. It was his idea.
As long as HP's happy and I don't have to lift another thing for a week.
Well, I'm off. Anything you can do, I can do too.
How do you mean, Olivia?
You hoisted HP. I'm off to get my photographers.
So?
Well, I'm giving them a lift.
Oh!